This treatment is highly effective for bacterial infections. It is administered intravenously or via deep intramuscular injection. For gluteal injections, use a 90-degree angle. This ensures proper absorption. First, I put on my personal protective equipment, PPE, before starting the procedure. Next, I use the distilled water provided with the vial to reconstitute the medication before administration. At this stage, I use 2 syringes. One syringe is used to prepare and draw up the medication from the vial, while the second syringe, fitted with a new sterile needle, is used for the injection. This helps reduce the risk of contamination and minimizes discomfort for the patient. Next, I carefully break open the ampule and use its contents to reconstitute the medication in the vial. If you're opening an ampule for the first time, it's a good idea to use the syringe wrapper or a protective gauze pad when breaking it open to help avoid injuring your fingers. Next, I inject the distilled water into the vial to reconstitute the medication. Then, I gently mix the solution until the medication is completely dissolved. Once I make sure that the drug has dissolved 100%, I carefully draw the medication back into the syringe. After drawing up the medication from the vial, I remove any air bubbles from the syringe. Once the air has been expelled, I replace the needle used for drawing up the medication with a new sterile needle. This helps reduce the risk of contamination and minimizes discomfort for the patient. Next, I use an alcohol swab to disinfect the injection site before administering the injection. Next, we go to the patient. First, I identify the correct injection site for the intramuscular injection. Then, I disinfect the area using an alcohol swab. After that, I administer the injection at a 90-degree angle. I perform aspiration to ensure no blood is drawn back, and then I slowly inject the medication. Once I finish, I remove the needle and apply gentle pressure on the injection site for about 1 minute to prevent swelling or bruising. And with that, today's video is complete. Goodbye.